Period. Okay, I don't know. I kind of like it without the glasses, so I think I'm gonna do it without the glasses. But yes, here's to new quality. What's up? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Cece. If you have not met me yet, girl, I'm so sorry, but listen, we here today. Okay, I know I'm very inconsistent, but we're working on it. And the fact that I upgraded my quality, trust me, so if you have not seen that video just yet, my quality upgrade video, go ahead and check that out. There is the little linkage right there, and also in the description box as well, along with this wig on my head that you are clearly wanting to see about. Okay, let's go ahead and get into that. So the details on this wig, I believe I got this at the beginning of the year. Actually, it was around March-ish. I ordered it off of Amazon. I knew I wanted to try a different color. So I've tried pink, I've tried yellow, I've even tried red, and your girl can pull off color pretty great in my opinion. It's just the way that I lay my wigs and my color wigs and things like that to make it pop, period. Okay. Yes, so today's wig, let me go ahead and pull up that information, because I did throw away the box and because I wasn't thinking about making a YouTube video at this time on this wig, just because of the simple fact that at that time I really wasn't trying to do YouTube. I just didn't know what I wanted to do. So I did put it on Instagram, and we are going to go take a look at that reel in just 1 second. But first, let me give you the rundown on this girl here, okay? Ah, dang it, I'm so sorry. The wig that I purchased is actually currently unavailable, but I purchased this wig. They have the blonde versions available, but this wig is actually pretty great. It was $30 for a fact. I know that I spent $30 on that. Probably spent about $42, and it's 22 inches long, this wig. It is by the brand on Amazon. Like I said, even though it is sold out, I will link down there because they have different colors of the same wig. So right here is like a 613. It's probably not gonna show, so I'll just screenshot it and I'll put it up there. But yeah, so the one that I'm most likely gonna get is a 613. Okay, so really bleached blonde, but this wig that I have today is just a blue wig. So since there's no really much information on what else to do about this wig, you know what I'm saying, let's just go ahead and hop into the reel. But what I do want to tell you guys that this is a watercolor wig. And then after the reel, we're going to get into some tips on how I laid it and made it look semi-natural. I mean, obviously blue hair is just not natural, but you get the point, okay? So let's go ahead and hop into this reel. Let me go ahead and get in my Instagram. I'm gonna turn on my screen recording. Damn, y'all see how Instagram just took some of my followers down because there's some hating ass motherfuckers? Yeah, that's what they be doing to me. Now let's go to my reels. Now, like I said, I did this reel a minute ago, but I uploaded it to YouTube and I got a great reception from it. So I figured, why not make another video like I did last year with my pink wig, something like that, but with my blue wig. That's why I'm here today, okay? Clearly there's like a lot to go through. And if you don't follow me on Instagram, girl, what is you doing? Go ahead and do that, because you know, I never know, I might follow you back, period. Okay, so now we're down to the blue. Okay, she's definitely giving, like, blue is just really pretty on me. It's always been very pretty on me. I don't know what it is, it's just pretty color on me. Disrespectful, 284 views, but listen, at the time that it was popping off, listen. Get in the booth and I start cutting up. Okay, let me mute this because that is definitely copyright. Okay. That was definitely copyright. But this was my initial reaction to the wig. It was actually like, I was surprised at how great it was, but then again, I don't know why I'd be so surprised, but I'd just be surprised because these are synthetic wigs, and I'd just be trying to get the point across with color, because I can never stay to a color too long anyway, so I might as well order it cheaper, and then on top of that I get quality on top of that, so I fucks with that. Sorry, I keep looking at the viewfinder. I just like looking at myself. I don't know. So obviously I did the ball cap method. Now this is a different way I laid my wig. Rather than cutting the lace off first, what I did, obviously you couldn't see, but what I did was put a band down, and then I tried put a elastic band around my head and then laid it down like that, and then, you know, sprayed it, glued it, laid it down, period. And this was the original look of the wig prior to this video that I'm doing right now. I might play my own music. And then boom, like I just looked so good, like wow. And then I ended up putting blue shimmer strings in my hair because that was the look I was going for. It was just like super freaking cute. I loved everything about it. Now let's go ahead and hop into the tips on what can I give you guys to, you know, make these wigs more functionable, I guess, for every day. So you see what I'm saying? Like at this point you can just brush it like it's like real hair, like. And I know that the light is kind of catching it and it's like making it a certain way. If I dilute some of that light, yeah, okay. It was just like making it a certain way. But some of the tips that I can give you is to basically, to tint my lace and to tint the blue roots and all that stuff. Originally what I put was some makeup, but I did learn a new trick. So I went and got some lace tinting spray. I will link that down below. It looks like this, okay? The best lace tinting spray I've ever laid my eyes on. This is the second video, so this video is coming out after the video I just released on the black glueless wig that I also got from Amazon. Poppin', period. Go and check that video out if you have not checked it out. I promise you, you will not be disappointed. I'm working really hard on my things, y'all, okay? With that wig, I actually used the lace tinting spray for the first time, and it was just popping. Like, it was just that gross. So I was like, okay. And it smelled great, like no complaints. Zero complaints at all. Next tip that I have to bring down the shimmer, although I did not have any dry shampoo, I use dryer sheets to kind of take some of that shine down, and it took it down just a little bit. I would like to try some dry shampoo on this wig just to see if there's any more type of shine I could take down. But I have used dry shampoo on my pink wig, and that has definitely taken down some of the shine and everything on the wig. One thing I do love to do is flat iron my wigs, especially, and I use this heat protecting spray, and it just basically detangles the whole wig as you like brush through it, and then you apply the heat to it, and it just works phenomenally. So I've been using that since I started like using wigs, like trying color wigs, because, you know, I've always wanted to try it. So I've been having that conditioner, pretty much is what it is, like a synthetic fiber conditioner, for a while, and I suggest it. Okay, I suggest it. Another thing I would tip you guys on, if you are going to do baby hair, then don't be afraid of heat. Like I say, get this. Okay, that is the bedhead flat iron, and it is like the skinny rod, 1 centimeter, 1 inch, whatever. Yes, I also ordered that off of Amazon. I know. I keep with Amazon, but listen, Amazon's gonna get you right a lot of the times. Anyways, I use that to like flip my baby hair, and then I apply some mousse, and I just go about it just how I would go about it with like actual human hair, and it still gives the same effect, obviously, as you can see. Like, I looks the fuck good, period. What I love about certain wigs, and a lot of wigs that you can find today when it comes to synthetic fiber wigs, is that they can definitely take to heat very well, and they don't tangle as much as wigs back in the earlier days did. So whatever fibers that they're working with nowadays in these factories are definitely a lot better than what they used to have. And those hard plastics. Also, the lace on this wig is really not that bad. It's not as bad as the pink lace. Let's get a recap. The negatives is the lace, y'all. The lace is very thick, it's very coarse, it's very much so screen door. So it's definitely not that bad. But you can definitely see the squares and things like that if you get really close up in there. As long as you're trying to get that color weight, you're good. The color definitely gives. Doesn't tangle. I love it. It's like butter. So like I said, I will link what I can link down. If I could find another wig kind of like this one, I will link it down for you guys or whatever. But I just want to thank you guys so much for joining me today and kicking with me today, and hopefully that you're not done and you can go find you another video of mine to watch, period, because I have a lot of them for you down there below, up here as well. So I guess I'll see you up over there. Do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Okay, I would like to give this a disclaimer real quick. 97% of y'all, no, oh, it went down actually. 94% of y'all are not subscribed. Y'all aren't subscribed. 5% is subscribed and returns. There's 13 people out of the 200 and something people that I have on here return. I would like to see that number go up. That's all I'm saying. So anyways, don't forget to do those few things for me. Follow me. Oh, that's what I forgot to say. My head hurts so fucking bad from this thing. I put an elastic band on here to make it glueless as well, and just to lay it down as well as possible. So I do like that, although my head is hurting so bad right now. I'm working through the pain. Anyways, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see y'all in my next video in a few days. I promise.